Hello everyone, my name is Su Xingyu, one of the SPRING GX students. I'm now working in the optical solid chemistry laboratory to explore the high-harmonic generation in semiconductor materials. High-harmonic generation is a kind of nonlinear optics which describes how light interacts with materials in a special way when the light is very intense. In everyday life, light usually behaves in a linear manner. If you double the brightness of a light source, its effects also double proportionally. But in nonlinear optics, when the light is extremely strong, this proportionality breaks down and unusual effects happens. The typical example of high-harmonic generation is it can convert laser light from one color to a new color. However, the most investigation on high-harmonic generation has been carried out in an automatic gas systems, where there has been little attention on solid-state materials. This is because the high-harmonic generation in the solid-state materials is associated with electronic bond structure that is much complicated than localized orbitals in an atom. My research focuses on exploring the connection between the electronic bond structure of semiconductor and the high-harmonic generation phenomenon. When a semiconductor material is exposed to a strong ultrafast laser, the electrons move through the Fermi surface, generating high-harmonic light. By understanding such phenomena and use both nonlinear and linear optical property in materials, we could facilitate the application of next-generation nonlinear optoelectronic technologies. The high-harmonic generation would facilitate the development of solar cells, which aligns with green transformation goals of SPRING GX, contributing to the development of renewable energy solutions. Traditional solar cells made from silicon are limited because they cannot capture photons with energy lower than their band gap, wasting up to about 50% of solar energy in the near and mid-infrared range. To address this problem, we think the advantages of high-harmonic generation, which can convert these wasted photons into visible light. In this way, silicon-based solar cell can more easily expand its work region into near and mid-infrared region. For this innovative approach, we are focusing on the exploration of high-harmonic generation in indium oxide, a semiconductor with a narrow band gap that is highly sensitive to mid-infrared light. We believe that the understanding in mechanism of high-harmonic generation in indium oxide can enhance energy conversion, reduce the cost of solar power, and minimize energy waste. The combining of indium oxide high-harmonic technique and silicon-based solar cell could accelerate the development of high-performance sustainable solar technologies for greener futures. Through the activities of SPRING GX, I will contribute to the green transformation.